Hello and welcome to Hallbankgate. I'm about 3 miles outside Brampton, just on the edge of the northern Pennine area of outstanding natural beauty, and I've come to see a stunning schoolhouse. So as the name might suggest, it was the old schoolhouse for the headmaster, headmistress, but these guys have really made it their own. It's immaculate right through, really generous rooms. There's a massive open plan kitchen, living kitchen, dining area, second reception room, 3 great bedrooms and a really modern bathroom, utility as well. In the garden at the moment, which is really cool. We've got parking for a couple of cars. The pub is just, I can see it, just across the road, and we've got a great school as well, which is next door. And as I say, Brampton about 3 miles away. Nature Park is just up the hill. So it's a beautiful location. And of course, not forgetting, we've got Farlam Hall just down the road, which is a Michelin star restaurant. What a place. So let's take you to the front, show you what it looks like, then we'll take you inside. So these are the lovely gardens, which are to the side of the property. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I'll take you out and show you there's ample parking for a couple of vehicles here. Well, actually, probably get about 3 on there. Open fields, as you can see. That takes us down to Brampton, centre of the village. So we've got a little shop and cafe, the pub there, and the school is just this way. Right, so in we go. I'm just gonna kick my shoes off. But what an entrance, look at this. So we've got the exposed stone there. And then a brilliant sunroom. Absolutely beautiful. You could really enjoy the sun belting in there. Maybe get some more chairs in there. And then we're coming to this lovely big, we'll do the entrance hall first. This really grand entrance hallway. So we've got tons of storage under there. A very deceptive house. So the first room we'll come to is the first reception room. So we've got this lovely big living room. We've got the high ceilings, the original plasterwork there, a multi-fuel stove there. And these guys just use this as an office, but it's a massive room. It's got double aspect windows. I'll give you a little glimpse of the garden. Got a lovely garden out there. So yes, fabulous first room. Got my eye on the whiskey collection there. So through we come. And then next reception room. Now this certainly has the wow factor. Wait for this. So we've got a massive fireplace there. And look at this. It's huge. Absolutely massive. We've got the double Velux windows up there. It rolls around into the kitchen. But what a room. It's absolutely beautiful. So we've got a massive table and chairs here, and then we've got another set of sofas here. And again, another absolutely beautiful fireplace. Look at the stonework there. And this looks out into the garden again. So when these guys originally moved in, this had pipework to help with the heating and water and things like that, and they disconnected it and they've put an electric boiler in, but the pipework's still there. If someone wanted to sort of reinstate that, then that's for them to do. But look at the kitchen, it's beautiful. So a super modern kitchen. It's certainly a stunning place. And then we'll go down into the utility. So this is your electric boiler here. A slim gym, that takes us outside. Plenty of storage. We've got a high pressure water cylinder in here. And then we've got a really useful downstairs WC. That's really tidy, that. I love those tiles. Okay, so I'll take you back through and show you what it looks like upstairs. But this certainly is a beautiful place. Okay, so through here going upstairs. So we've got a really nice sized hall landing. We've got some storage there. We've got a loft access hatch, easy for you to see, up in the ceiling. And then the bedrooms, which are all really nice sized double bedrooms. So the first one, we've got this great room. It's a nice big double bedroom. And the next one, again another double bedroom. You can see the Pennines just over there. And then we have a very cool bathroom. Look at this. One of the biggest shower trays I've ever seen. It's like a triple shower with a really cool black fittings, and that's a mains fed power shower as well. And then the final bedroom, which again is a really good size, really generous rooms in this one. And we've got a walk-in wardrobe down at the bottom there. Okay, so there we are. If you'd like to come and see this amazing house in Hallbankgate, near Brampton, then please give the Penrith office a call. And we are on 01768 88 11 11.